So this tutorial is going to show you how to use one of the probably more controversial tools in Photoshop, which is the Liquify tool. This is the tool that some professionals use to suck people's imperfections in so that they look unnaturally skinny. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but I'm going to show you how the tool works. And the way I'm going to do that is by showing you how I can make this fox smile. So right now he's kind of almost smiling, but not quite. You can't just do something like this on any image. You have to choose an image that is kind of similar to what you want, but you want to push it a little further. So in this, I've kind of made the fox smile. So this is with the Liquify tool. This is without the Liquify tool. I'm just hiding and showing a layer. So I'm going to delete that layer and show you how I did it. I'm not going to make changes to my background in case I decide later on that I don't like the changes I made and I want to go back. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the lasso tool, I'm going to make a selection around the fox, the part that I want to liquify, and I'm just going to hit Command J on a Mac, Control J on a PC to copy that part of the layer. So I'm going to make those changes to a different layer, not my original layer. I'm going to choose Filter, I'm going to choose Liquify, and it's going to pop up a little thing for me. There's a bunch of options over here. Pretty much the main thing I change is just the brush size. So the bigger your brush size, the more area is going to move. The smaller your brush size, the more detailed you can get with it. So you just kind of have to play around with it, but I like to bring the eyes up a little because when someone smiles, it's in their eyes too. And again, it's not, I don't know, it's not a fine science. You just kind of have to play around with it. I think my last one looked a little better than this one, but anyway, he looks kind of creepy now. But see, not smiling, smiling, not smiling, smiling. So that's the Liquify tool.